So today is the first day of our 30-day fast. I'm giving up cannabis, coffee, and alcohol. 30 days, I'm going to see how that affects us. Slow day, getting out of bed, and I don't have coffee today, so I'm going to stick to, I don't know, herbal tea and water, and we'll see how that goes. Is this day 1 or day 2 for you, Iris?
This is day 2.
Day 2 of your 40-day cleanse you're doing? 40 days, no alcohol, cannabis, caffeine, and also vegan, along with a regimen of herbs. And what are we doing here?
Garlic. We're going to do 2 weeks of garlic.
2 weeks of garlic?
Yeah. So yesterday was the first day. And today I have here already chopped.
It's like minced. Can I see?
I drink my lemon in the morning and my other herb. And now I'm ready for this. So 1 garlic is about 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to put that 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
I already chopped, so it's kind of easy to drink chopped. And then I'm going to put some water and try to drink all at once.
I did this yesterday and I thought it was kind of extreme. It was hard. What'd you think?
Let's see it.
I know it's good for my blood pressure. Maybe I'm thinking to do check my blood pressure for the whole month and see if it goes down.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, maybe I'll start before I do it right now. I'll take it. You can. Okay, so let's see. What you got? Let me see what that looks like.
Ooh, it smells very, very strong. So just put a little bit
God.
more. So it can be adding. Right. Let's see. Add a little more.
Okay, let's see.
Dun, 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 dun.
Whoa. Do you chew it or swallow?
It's not so bad like you think.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Oh no. And here we go.
Glue. Nice. No, I don't chew it because
Not
I
bad.
don't feel that taste.
Not so bad.
Yeah, this sounds bad.
Okay, I'm gonna check my blood pressure. Let's see. I hate to do this because it's high usually or borderline and it makes me stressed. So here we go. 144 over 100. That's really high. I'm usually much lower than that. So I don't know what's going on, but hopefully we'll see those numbers drop through the month. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to go see my doctor.
In my second day of being vegan, I'm gonna do this cassava pancakes, the fermented cassava, and then I'm gonna cook in here some garlic with mushroom to put at the top, and I have already some hummus also.
So it's Sunday, right? Cleaning day. We have a little bit of dust here and stuff. On Sunday, we all community, like whatever members we have here, we clean this beautiful main house where we have our lunch and dinner, party, yoga, meditation, and everything. So yeah, everything should be nice and clean and crispy, like right now.
So you sweep?
Nothing here. Yeah,
You
sweep
sweep?
here, we mop here, we vacuum here where we need and things like that.
Use the
yes.
vacuum and everything.
Clean the windows and mirrors and bathrooms.
Windows.
Yeah. Sanitize everything with alcohol, so everything super protected.
Wonderful.
Wow.
And then we have Sylvina cleaning the bathroom.
Glamorous life here.
Misha's also sweeping the outside. Counters clean. Counters clean. Everything in its place. Empty compost bucket. As much as possible, consolidate all the garbage into one bag so we save bags. This is recycling. It can all go over there in the dump section, which we will cover.
We once had a guy living here named Trent, and he was crazy about coconuts, and he planted a ton of coconuts. The whole property he filled with the best coconuts he could find. And so now, like 7 years later, they're all starting to flower. And we've had so much rain these last 2 years that all the coconuts on the property have started to produce coconuts. So check them out. They're really beautiful. We got these kind of like Malaysian or Thai orange coconuts coming in. Here's a kind of a taller, is a traditional coconut, but look at the productivity. Look at the racks on those are loaded with coconuts. It's just producing so much. Look at the flowers up top. Yeah, loaded with coconuts. We're gonna have so many coconuts here coming this year and more to come. So we're gonna really look at how we can use all the different products you can get from coconuts. The water and the oil and the husks and the shell and the fronds, the meat. So coconuts are gonna be a big part of our food here.
What's up?
What's up?
How are you?
Good. Nice. What are you guys working on?
So, the goats got in here this morning.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and they were ripping into the chicken feed.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
They knocked the roof of that off?
Yep, they popped the top on that bucket. When I got out here, the one-horned goat had his whole head inside.
Oh my God.
Munching away. So yeah, pushed them back out into that area, and then we patched up that fence over and just topping the avocado.
Cool.
Figured.
Yeah, this is great. They're gonna love this.
Yeah, and I'll get this Placidia off the roof up there.
Killer.
Figured that would be a good project.
Yeah, good idea. You gonna top that avocado?
Oh, I'm gonna keep on going. Yeah. Figured we'll
Cool.
just get all this out of the way underneath.
And then what about all these kukuyas? These could all come down, right?
Yeah. Figure I'd see how far we got with this, because I was also thinking about adding the higher fence to this area. Yeah. So yeah, I figured we'll see how far we get, and then maybe if not the kukuyas today, maybe next week we'll get a start on that.
Cool. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Say that again.
Yeah, all the walls are plumb now, which is good. So level that way.
And you did it with these cables, huh?
Well, this string right now,
String.
and then eventually I'm probably gonna actually put this cable on it, which is this cable here. And so this is coming down in the center, equidistant 8 feet out, so that when the curtain is there, will be a little extra, still leaving this community space.
Cool.
And so this is gonna be like cut off like somewhere up here, put another loop here, and then be able to attach cables on either side, kind of tighten them. And then we'll be able to have like a little rings with a curtain. And then I was thinking like having like a...
So it'll actually pull on the cable? It'll draw across the cable? The curtains?
Kind of have equal pressure on each side. So this is just gonna kind of...
No, I mean
I gotta tie it in over here too.
the curtains are gonna go across the cable, so we won't need rods.
So yeah,
Cool.
So it's gonna have little rings, and then also like a, some like blinds have that stick. Like, I was thinking like having that stick to where. So
Okay.
you don't have to actually pull the curtain itself, but it'll help it move easily along the cable.
Cool.
So yeah, so this is gonna tie into one of them over here, and then over here to over there, and over there to over there. So it's gonna have like this equal pressure that's gonna keep it kind of tight.
Cool.
And then I'm gonna see if that's enough, once I do that all the way around, if that's gonna keep the walls plumb too. which would be cool. And if not, then I'll just do cables where the strings are kind of roughly, making it look cool. So
Cool.
yeah,
So right now they're all plumb.
that is correct.
Yeah, they look good,
Nice.
right?
Yeah.
Hi, beautiful people. I'm here to share a little bit with you how I'm feeling. I was a little bit confused and not understanding much what's going on in the world. Feeling a little bit lost and sad to be far from my family in Brazil, and a little bit worried what you're gonna do in the future, how you're gonna make a business and life, and how you're gonna thinking about raise kids maybe soon and raise a family, right? We here at the farm have a big family actually, that 10 people usually at the time, and we feed everybody, and we all work together here for maintain this place and give opportunity to other people come and learn as well, yoga, meditation, cooking, gardening. This pandemic was really like a shock, I guess, for everybody, right? Forced us to really go inside, looking what you're gonna do to feel my heart and to help this environment, this world to be better. So looking inside, it is our answers. And this new moon brought me a lot to my ancestors' suffering, that I see myself now also with the same problems or pains, to not pass to our new generations. And that is very important, healing the past, the present, and the future. And I feel very connected with my ancestors. I feel very connected with them. I hear, ask for guidance all the time when I need. And in this time, opening a great opportunity to be enjoying a cleanse, a souls and womb cleanse. So I'm going to be joining a group of women with a sister in Brazil, Janaína. She's a gynecologist therapist, and we'll be doing during 40 days. First with diet, of course, we're going to be cleaning the blood with a 40 days diet, with no alcohol, no smoking, no animal products. And after that, we're going to be collecting the blood to make a medicine that cures a lot of stem cells, and they can make new chunk cells. So I was very intrigued about that, and I also always wanted to learn how to make the tincture from the placenta when you have birth, because when I have birth, I wanted to be very natural. If I can, I want to have it home. And I know that is very old-fashioned, but it is what I believe. I don't really want to be inside a hospital. I'm very grateful for doctors. I want to have also the support from them. But now I feel the desire to trust myself, trust my power, and heal this part of me that's been not looked so much these last years. To heal now, it is to trust and to bring that love inside first. Me, I see in my family too, my mom looking for other people, taking care for other people, and don't really look inside ourselves and see what we need to heal, right? So I having this opportunity this month to do that. I feel really great and open for this. I have all day also harvesting my tea that I'm gonna need after a few weeks. It's a plantain tea here in Hawaii. I harvested that. I was very grateful bring that intention of healing and then cleaning and preparing for drying, right? And today I have again the garlic, and I feel faith and courageous to say no for certain things, and to look inside me and say, no, I want to be clean. I want to be health and centered. I don't want any stimulation or anything that takes me out from this. I want to bring love inside. And I am very grateful. Thank you.
With garlic, day 3. With blood pressure check, day 2. This always makes me kind of anxious. 144/96. Man, I got to get that down.